Hey guys, welcome to MDS IT. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Windows 10 October update 1809 version. So guys, in this video, I'm telling you two ways to download this latest update of Windows 10. So guys, let's start with the first trick. So guys, for this purpose, go to your start and open up the settings. You have to open up the settings, click on settings. Now settings will appear here. After opening the settings, you have to click here, update and security. You have to click here. So now click here. Guys, here you will see this text: your device is at risk because it's out of date. So guys, I haven't updated my Windows 10 to latest version. I am using old version, so I was busy. I haven't downloaded yet. So guys, you can download your Windows 10 latest update by clicking here. By clicking here on check for updates. By clicking here on check for updates. So guys, I don't want to install, but if you want to install, then if you want to download and install the latest version, then click here. After clicking here, it will start downloading files. Downloading can take much time because it depends on your internet speed. If you have a faster internet, then it will download in very short time. So guys, after downloading, it will start installing the files. It will take about 50 minutes for installing the files. So guys, after installation, it will give you three options: for restarting the PC, for snoozing, and for take our time. So guys, it depends on you. You restart the PC at that time or not, so it's totally up to you. So guys, this is the first method to download Windows 10. So guys, now let me tell you the second method. So close this, and let's close this, and now open up any of your browser. Open up the browser, and guys, here you have to type download Windows 10. Here you have to type Windows 10 download, this text. Here you have to type this text. So guys, after typing, hit enter. It will bring you this page. From here you have to open up the first link. So open up the first link. You can see it's loading. Here you can see that Windows 10 April October update available now. So guys, this is showing April update, but I want October update. For this purpose, I must update my Windows 10. So guys, in your case, if you are using I am using fall creators update. So if you are using April Windows update, then you will see here option for October update. So guys, don't worry, in my case it is showing download Windows 10 April 2018 update, but in your case it will show Windows 10 creators update, Windows 10 fall creator October's update. So guys, it will show up October update, so don't worry, just click on update now. Now it will download the Windows Update Assistant. So it's downloading, as you can see. It's taking some time. I have not so much faster internet. So download speed depends on your internet connection, how much MBs you get per second on your internet. Let's download it. It's downloading. So after downloading, you have to open this file. So let's open this up. So here we have the Windows 10 Update Assistant. It's loading. So guys, this is simple. You can click here to update your Windows, and you have to follow the on-screen options to install your latest version. So guys, I'm using fall creator update, that's why it is showing Windows 10 April update. So if you are using Windows 10 April update, then you will see here the option of Windows 10 October update. So guys, don't confuse with it, and don't worry, you must upgrade to latest version because it has some new features, not so much, but it has some new features, and its performance is good. So guys, hope this video helped you. I am saying again, don't confuse with this option. So you can still download Windows 10 October update. So guys, this video was about this update. So guys, hope this video will help you. So guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I need your support, man. This is my new channel. This is the start of the channel, and I will be uploading next videos soon on this channel. So guys, take care, peace out.